I have a certain fondness for Gregor Mendel, which might exist partly because I remember him. But I think I'm interested in him because he was isolated. He seemed to have a very inquiring personality, and he's really obsessive. Not just about, as we've come to know, about the way he worked his pollination and all of that, and the little caps he put on the plants and all that, but he was busy measuring the weather 4 and 5 times a day. He was very dedicated and very obsessive about detail. And to some people from the outside, that might seem like a lot of tedium, but I actually think that people like him, and actually artists, the way we spend thousands and thousands of hours, say, practicing the steps. It may look like tedium, but actually it's kind of an amazing, ever-present progression towards improvement, or towards understanding, or towards something. You look for that one moment when it's going to change. So I think I was kind of inspired by that in him. First of all, he's a religious figure. At his time, when he was living, it was frequent for religious people to also be scientists. So Mendel turns out to be kind of our spiritual guide in the piece. We come to see him initially, just him in his garden. And we see him playing chess with himself, which is one of the things I learned that he did. We see him separate and alone, because I imagine him that way. But he also reappears at other times in the dance to help us along, to observe other characters.